Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create a free website using Google. Yes, you heard that right. You will able to create a free website using Google. And if you want to create a custom domain name, you can also do this. You don't need any hosting for running this website. You can use Google as your hosting provider. Your free website will be published on Google. Let's click publish. If you want to know more about this and also want to create your first free website, then watch the video till the end. And if this video helpful for you, please give a like and share with your friends. Let's get started. To create a free website using Google, click on scroll down and here you will find more from Google. Click on this. Here we will find a branch of services offering from Google. Click on browse all products. These services are provided by Google. Here, find sites. Click on sites and you will get this kind of user interface. Now you need to decide what kind of websites you want to make. Is it a portfolio, an event, help center, project, or others? You can get started with blank, and if you want to create a portfolio website, then you can click on this. I want to create a portfolio website, so I am clicking on this. And it will bring you here. You can find here is a publish button and here is more, and here is a setting gear. If you click on the setting gear, you will find some option, that is navigation. You can change this navigation style from top to side. Here you will find the navigation, and also you can change the brand image. You can add logo. Let me show you. Upload. Here you will find the brand logo, and you can alter text there, and you can also add a favicon. Favicon is something which shows in the tab, in the browser tab. Viewer tool, you can find custom domain adding option. You can also find analytics. For this, you have to add your site to Google Analytics. I will show you in another video about this. Announcement banner. We will discuss this in our upcoming videos. Here is a share icon. There is get link, and here you can find preview and undo redo button. And here you will find insert, pages, and themes. You can import themes or you can create your own theme. In our next video, I will show you how to create a custom theme for Google sites and import any theme for your Google sites. Today I am going to show you the basic customization and creation of a free Google website. Here, type your site name. I am creating a portfolio website, so here I am creating my name. type about your website. You can write anything you want. You can drag this. You can also change this image. Click here and you will find replace image and upload your own image. I am uploading mine one. Double click and adjust the position of the image. You can also zoom in or zoom out. I think this is okay. Okay, we have changed our image and the name. If you want to change this theme, you can select from here. Click on themes and click the theme which you want, and it will change. Here I want to add some text and the heading will be about us, and I'm going to click on insert and click on the text box. Here I will write about myself. I think this is okay. Now here I want to add a section like this. Here I want another text box, and here I will write services and change the heading. It's heading and center this text. Here you will add your services like digital marketing, and you can also add an image. Go to your device folder and add image, drag and drop. Here you can add a slide presentation. Here you can add an image and you can also add a video. So let me show you how you can do this. When you click here, it will automatically open your slides which are available in your Google Drive. Click on that and click enter. It will add here, and you can also change the name from here, and you can upload an image. Let me add a demo image. You can drag and drop any image from your computer, and you can add a video here. You can search here any video you can add here. If you don't know any item here, you can delete this. Just click on that and tap delete. Like this. Or you can delete from here. Here, if you want to add some more images, you can click here and it will automatically add. If you want to change the order, you can just click here and drag and drop. It will change the layer. Let me delete this. Okay. And here you can add the contact details. To add footer, click on the plus icon and write the footer text. Select the text type and align its center. Here we have created the home page. Here is about and here is the project page. If you want to add a page, just click on the page, go to the plus icon. Here you will find new page, new menu section and new link. Click on the new page. Enter the page name. I'm creating a contact page. Here is a page and let me insert the map here. Click on the map and enter the location. I'm typing my name and here map is showing my location. Select this, and if you want to change the dimension, you can just hold and drag this. Yeah, I think that's right. Here is the map and add the contact information, and you can also add a contact form. Click on the form and here you can create a form. To create a form, you need to go to Google Forms. Here you will also find contact information. If you need a tutorial about Google Forms, you can ask me in the comments. I will create a complete Google Form tutorial for you. Here I am clicking on contact information. Here is the form. Here it's name, email address. I don't need the address of that very person, so I can remove this. And I need email. If you need phone number, you can keep this or you can delete this. And the comments. And okay, let's go back to our website and let's add the form again. Click on the form and here you will get the form which we have created just now. Click insert. Here the form will appear here. If you want to change the dimension as well, you can click and drag the form. Okay, I think this is okay. Okay, when someone visits your website and write and submit their queries, you will find the information in the backend of the form. Here, come to the form. You will find your form here. Open this and click on the responses. Here you will find the responses of the people. When you complete editing your website, just click on Publish. Your website address is here. This is the URL of your website. And click on Publish. Your free website will be published on Google. Let's click Publish. Let's click on View. Here you can see our website is visible here. Let's click the About page. Project page and Contact page. Here's the map and the contact form. Friends, that was our today's video. I have tried to show you how to create a free website on Google. If you have any query regarding this, ask your question or your reviews on the comment section. I will be with you always. Please give a like to this video and share with your friends so that they can also make a free website using Google. Thanks for watching.